What's up, guys? This is Jayden and Jordans. As usual, on our first channel, we just did a backflip. But now we're going to do how to do a kick up. Okay, guys. Okay, my brother's going to hold the camera first and show us how to do a backflip. A kick up. Me, I'm going to show you how to do a kick up. Hold on! Okay, now basic training. So hey guys, okay, I'm gonna do a backflip. Actually, I'm gonna do a kick up. Down. Okay, guys, this is how you do a kick up. Get back a little, scoot back in the same position. That's it, guys. This is how you do a kick up. And then when I do it, don't go Cole Dixon house. Then when you get it, when I do it, you get it, push it. Okay, I got you. Come on. See? You saw that, guys? Okay, I'm gonna do it again. 2 more times. Look at me. Ready? Leave it on the couch. Ready, set, go. One more time, guys. Ready, set, go. Wait, I missed the guy. I missed the point you did. Ready, set, go. He missed the. Ready, set, go. I can't. Wait, guys. That's it. One more time. Ready, set, go. I did it. Okay, that's my brother's turn. Okay. I do it real good. He does it real good. He does it better than me. But I do a backflip better than him. No, you do. He does not do a backflip better than me. He be landing on his knees. No, I don't. And I got some Takis here while I'm chilling and watching some TV. So this is my tablet that I'm doing on, and look, that's my juicy drop. Okay, now it's my brother's turn to do it. Whatever. So that's my brother's turn. Okay. Get down. No, we go right there. Guys, you're gonna do it. Ready? When I move, do it. You saw, guys? Okay. Look at him. 2 more times. 2 more times. One more time, guys. I'm gonna do it without hands. He gonna do it without hands. Ready, set. Wait there, line. Ready, set. And then I'm gonna do it one more time, guys. And then we're gonna have a battle, a fight. We're gonna be fighting. Yeah. It's gonna be football. We're gonna tackle. No, we're gonna fight. No, we're gonna play football. Never mind. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna play a football game. Okay. First. Okay, guys. This is me, my brother. Okay, guys. As you know, I can do the word and this. So I get ball first. No, my brother gets ball. Bless you. Okay, guys. Like this. Right there. Oh shoot, turn it. Right there. That's good. Okay, see that, guys? Okay, guys, let me move the camera again. Right here, guys. That's it. Ready? My brother gets ball first. Right here. You gonna tackle right here. Okay, he goes. I'm throwing it off. He didn't tackle me. on the couch. He didn't tackle me yet. He has to pull me off. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Guys, I'm not down yet.
Yes, he is.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Your head doesn't.
I was on mine.
Your head doesn't have to be on your ground. Okay, guys, we're still tackling. He's down.
No, I'm not. I'm still standing up, boys.
No, you're not. He's lying.
No, I'm not.
They saw you.
I'll take the ball. No, he didn't. That didn't count. You can't even take the ball. Okay, guys. I'm sorry. I don't want to play no more, so I'm just going to make a YouTube channel about my Xbox 360. Okay, and see you on next episode. Bye bye.